Bontle Modiselle has people talking again after a clip from a 2021 Podcast and Chill episode resurfaced online where she made a bold claim about her marriage to rapper Pretty Ugly. In the video, Bontle tells host Megji that even after more than 16 years together, she and Pretty have never had a real fight, no shouting, no slamming doors, no dramatic arguments, and that disagreements are always handled calmly through conversations and respect. She added that when Pretty hangs out with his friends, it's never because of tension at home, but just to relax and unwind. The snippet has sparked mixed reactions online. Some fans are calling their relationship goals, praising their communication and maturity, while the others question whether it's realistic for any couple to never fight, especially when facing everyday challenges like finances and family life. Whether you see it as a relationship perfection or just too good to be true, this video has once again put Bontle and Pretty's marriage in the spotlight.